Hey, so I recently came across this feature in Google Workspace where you can set up an appointment scheduler using your Google Workspace account. So this replaces the need to have a paid Calendly subscription if you need multiple appointment bookers, and makes it super easy to just integrate into your website. So I'll show you how to set this up. It's pretty straightforward. So this is an example here of what the appointment picker looks like in a website. So I have it set up in my Quantum Fire Labs website, and I've embedded it right into the page. So when someone clicks on the book a call button, they come to this page, and it gives them right here options to select an appointment to book a call with me. So they can click on here, and then they enter their information and book an appointment with me. So let me show you how to set this up. You just go over to Google Calendar, click on Create, Appointment Schedule, fill in the information. You'll want to give it a title, something like, like intro call, or maybe like product demo. We'll select how long the appointment duration is. Put 30 minutes for this one. And you can choose your availability. Decide if it's repeating, or if it does not repeat, we'll do repeat weekly. And then you just set your window. So if you want to do like 10 to 3, and then you just repeat it for the rest of these days here. There's a few other options. You can choose your scheduling window for how far in advance you want your appointments to be available. So I don't like to give this much availability into it. I usually do like 14 days, so people can choose appointments up to 14 days in the future. If someone is on your site and they schedule an appointment, you probably don't want them scheduling an appointment to be 30 minutes from the time that they set it, because you don't have much time to prepare, or you might just have other things going on that you aren't ready to jump into. So I usually set it to 4 hours. It gives me a little bit of a buffer time. And then you can change the date availability for specific days. Say I only want availability on this specific times, or however you want to do it. You can say unavailable all day. And then you have a few more other options. This is the buffer time between appointments. So let's say you want to set at least 15 minutes between appointments. And then the maximum bookings per day. I usually just set mine to 4. And then you hit next. You can provide a few more options, like a photo, a name, location. So I'll set mine to Google Meet. Add a description about your meeting right here. And then there's your booking form. So if you require any additional information, I usually require a phone number. And it actually also gives you the availability to add payment options. So let's say you can hook it up through Stripe. I haven't done this yet. And then lastly, you have your booking confirmation reminders and a cancellation policy. So you can set up email reminders one day before, or add additional ones. And you click Save. Once that's set up there, you can now go and view your booking page, see what it looks like. Or you can do what I did on the Quantum Fire Labs website here, where you embed it in a page. So to do that, you just go over to Share, and you choose the booking page you want to use. You can grab the link to give out the link specifically, or you can go website embed, and you can choose either a button with a pop-up, or if you want to do what I did and embed it right into your page, you can go inline booking page, and you just grab the code here. I did a few modifications just to make it look a little nicer on my page, so that the height is good. When I used the initial embed, it sort of squished the content a little bit of the appointment picker. So I just tweaked it a little bit. And then what I actually do is on mobile. So if I show you what it looks like on mobile, I have it set up so that instead of showing the appointment picker, if you click the link, it'll just take you to an appointment page. So I find that on the website, the mobile version of it doesn't look as great when it's embedded in a web page. So I've opted to just change it to have a button that opens up the appointment picker when on mobile. So that's all there really is to it. It makes it super easy to set up an appointment picker. And of course, it saves you on a subscription having to subscribe to Calendly if you already have Google Workspace. If you don't have a Google Workspace plan, you can set up to one appointment type in a free Gmail account. I have a few different types for a few different products. So I have one for Quantum Fire Labs here. I have one for my other product called Engage Spot. So in order to have the different types, again, you have to have a certain level of the Google Workspace account. And I believe it starts around like $15 US dollars per month for that. But yeah, it saves having to have another subscription through Calendly. So go and check it out.